we'll go to the philosophy of artificial intelligence, and let's go to it, and we'll understand the limits of artificial general intelligence. We'll understand that the Turing test is originally called the imitation game by Alan Turing, who was the one of the founder of artificial intelligence who coined the term, and he also break the code of he created Turing machine. Also, he has done a lot of contribution. Is the test of machines' ability to exhibit intelligence, behavior equivalent or indistinguishable from that of a human. So it is like, it is a test where if you go and give this test, you will be like, you have to like, it is human intelligence has a like, it is always challenged by the machine. Right now, Go has already beaten the world champion in like Go. There's a Go game, so it already has challenge. So it is like, machines are exhibiting more intelligence than humans. Okay, Turing proposed that the human elevator would judge natural language conversation between a human and a machine, distinguish a greater human-like response.